Today I'm going to teach you how to connect your site to Google AdSense. This is essential for anyone looking to monetize their website by displaying ads and earning revenue from your content. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to adsense.google.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log into your AdSense account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the Google account that you want associated with your AdSense earnings and settings. After logging in successfully, you'll land on your AdSense dashboard. Look over to the left side of the screen where you'll find the navigation menu. From the options available, click on Sites. This section is where you'll manage all the websites connected to your AdSense account, making it easy to track and monitor each site's performance individually. Next, you'll want to add your website to AdSense. Click on the button labeled New Site. This opens up a form where you can register a new website with AdSense. In the field provided, input your website's URL. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any verification issues later on. Once you've typed in your website address, click Save to proceed. Now, AdSense will generate the necessary verification tools for you. You'll see three options displayed on your screen: AdSense code snippet, ads.txt snippet, and meta tag. Each of these methods serves to verify that you own the website and allows AdSense to connect properly. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the AdSense code snippet option, which is the most commonly used method. Click on the AdSense code snippet option. You'll see a block of code appear on your screen. This is the verification code that needs to be placed on your website. Go ahead and copy this code. You can do this by clicking the copy button next to it or by manually selecting the entire code and copying it to your clipboard. Now comes the part where you'll need to access your website's backend. Open your website's HTML editor or content management system and locate the header tag section. This is typically found in the theme settings or header file, depending on your platform. Paste the copied code into the header tag area. This placement ensures that AdSense can detect and verify your site properly. Make sure you save any changes you make to your website's code. Once you've successfully placed the code on your website, return to your AdSense dashboard. You'll notice a checkbox that says, "I've placed the code." Check this box to confirm that you've completed the installation step. After checking the box, click Verify to initiate the verification process. AdSense will now scan your website to confirm that the code has been properly installed. And that's it. You've successfully connected your site to Google AdSense. The verification might take a few moments or up to a day, but once confirmed, you'll be able to start displaying ads and earning revenue. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.